Wow.
And also with the fresh morin garlic. And then the broth we use from the coconut water mixed with coconut milk. And we mix with our Balinese spices we call basa gata.